Welcome to Acer Showroom, your trusted destination for the latest reviews and insights on premium motorcycles. Today, we dive into the highly anticipated 2026 Honda CRF 750, a machine that promises to redefine adventure and off-road riding for the next generation of riders. Designed to combine rugged performance with advanced technology, this bike is ready to tackle any terrain with confidence and style. Design and build. The 2026 Honda CRF 750 boasts an aggressive yet elegant design, staying true to Honda's iconic CRF lineage. Its lightweight frame is crafted from high-strength materials, ensuring superior durability while maintaining excellent maneuverability. The bike features a striking LED headlight setup, slim body panels, and a streamlined tail section, giving it a modern, rally-inspired appearance. The comfortable seat and ergonomic handlebar layout make long journeys as enjoyable as short trail runs. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF 750 lies a powerful 749cc liquid-cooled engine engineered to deliver smooth torque and impressive horsepower. Whether you're navigating rocky trails, cruising along open highways, or climbing steep hills, this engine responds with precision and strength. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and advanced fuel injection system, it offers exceptional throttle response and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both adventure touring and spirited off-road riding. Suspension and handling. Honda has equipped the CRF 750 with state-of-the-art suspension components for maximum comfort and control. The fully adjustable front forks and rear monoshock provide excellent damping across varied terrains, absorbing bumps and maintaining stability. With its generous ground clearance and robust frame geometry, the CRF 750 delivers a balanced ride that instills confidence in every rider. Braking and safety features. Braking performance is a key strength of the 2026 Honda CRF 750. Dual front disc brakes and a rear disc system work in harmony with advanced ABS to ensure reliable stopping power, even on loose or slippery surfaces. Additional safety features, such as traction control and multiple riding modes, allow you to customize your experience for different road or trail conditions. Technology and comfort. Modern adventure riders expect top-tier technology, and Honda delivers with the CRF 750. A fully digital TFT display keeps you informed with clear readouts for speed, gear position, fuel level, and trip data. Bluetooth connectivity allows easy pairing with your smartphone for navigation and call alerts. The bike also includes a USB charging port and LED indicators, enhancing practicality on long journeys. Fuel capacity and range. One of the standout aspects of the 2026 Honda CRF 750 is its generous fuel tank, designed to keep you riding longer between stops. Combined with its efficient engine, the bike offers an impressive range, making it perfect for extended adventures where refueling stations may be few and far between. The 2026 Honda CRF 750 is a remarkable blend of power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, crafted for riders who crave exploration without compromise. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or embarking on long-distance tours, this motorcycle is ready to meet the challenge. Stay tuned to Acer Showroom for more detailed reviews, tips, and updates on the world's most exciting bikes. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community of motorcycle enthusiasts, where adventure is always just a ride away.